In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Google Drive and share it with others. This handy feature is not only useful for organizing your files, but also makes collaboration with others seamless and efficient. Let's get started and dive into the process step by step. First, ensure that you are signed into your Google account. If you're not logged in, go to the Google homepage and click on the Sign In button, which you'll find in the top right corner. Use your credentials to log in if prompted. Once you're signed in, navigate to Google Drive by either typing Google Drive into your browser's address bar or selecting it from the Google Apps grid, which you can access by clicking the 9-dot icon at the top right of the Google homepage. Now that you're in Google Drive, it's time to create your folder. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will see a Plus New button. Go ahead and click on it. You'll see a drop-down menu. Choose Folder from this list. A dialog box will pop up, prompting you to give your new folder a name. Choose a name that will help you identify what's inside the folder. For this demonstration, let's name it Shared Project Files. After entering the name, click on Create to finalize the creation of your folder. With your folder created, the next step is to share it with others. To do this, locate your new folder in Google Drive. Once you've found it, right-click on the folder name. A menu will appear. Select the Share option from this list. This will bring up the Sharing Settings dialog box. Here, you can enter the email addresses of those you wish to share the folder with. Remember to double-check that you've entered the addresses correctly. Next, decide on the level of access you want to give your collaborators. To do this, use the drop-down menu next to the email input field. You'll see options like Viewer, Commenter, and Editor. Choose the level of access that best suits your needs. For more privacy, consider restricting access to Editor only for those who need to modify files. Once you've made your selections, add an optional note if you like. This could be a brief message or instructions for your collaborators. Finally, click Send to share the folder. And there you have it. Your folder is now ready and shared with the people you've chosen. Google Drive will notify them via email, and they'll be able to access the folder using the permissions you've set. This method ensures you can efficiently collaborate with your team, manage projects, and keep everything organized in one handy location. I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to optimize your Google Drive use and other digital tools. Happy organizing!